Here's how this works. Water, salt, and pepper, those are freebies. Your pantry, it better have flour, oil, vinegar, mustard, and garlic. Beyond that, you'll only need 5 more ingredients and 25 minutes to put an entree or entire meal on the table. So, shop, set the clock, and let's dish out. Our 5 ingredients will be some unsalted butter, some peeled, deveined, and detailed shrimp, medium size would be just fine, 1 large lemon, some dry white wine, Pinot Grigio here, and some spaghetti. Thin spaghetti, angel hair pasta, something like that would work. From our pantry, we're going to grab about 3 large cloves of garlic and give those a vigorous smash, and we will then proceed to mince them. Go ahead and set those aside once they are finely minced and bring a pot of water up to the boil, which we will then generously season with salt. To that, we will add our pasta and cook per package directions. As usual, I use too small of a pot, so I'm just working my spaghetti in there, and now we'll let it cook. Alright, make sure your shrimp are very dry. They aren't going to cook for long, and if we want to get any color at all, which we do, we'll need the surface of the shrimp dry. Add a couple tablespoons of olive oil to a large hot skillet and lay your shrimp in, as much in a single layer as possible. Give them 2 to 3 minutes on this first side, and then we will give them a flip. Not forgetting to season, of course, with fresh cracked pepper and a nice pinch of sea salt. Time has come to give them the aforementioned flip, so we'll go ahead and do that. Once we've got all the shrimp flipped over, we're going to add our remaining ingredients. We'll start with the garlic right over the top, about a 1/3 cup of our white wine. You could use water here with a dash of vinegar if you have an aversion to cooking with alcohol. Squeeze in maybe a 1/3 to a 1/2 of the lemon depending on its size, and finally a couple tablespoons of the butter. Let that sit for a minute or two and then just stir everything together to combine. Add your cooked pasta and toss this very vigorously to combine all the ingredients and emulsify that sauce with the butter, wine, and pasta starch. And sometimes the easiest way to do this is just give that pan a shimmy. That's just about all there is to this simple shrimp scampi, say that 5 times fast. So let's get it plated up. Put down a nice bed of your perfectly cooked pasta, add on just a few of our plump, succulent shrimp, 1 final seasoning with a little cracked pepper. And I had to run out to the yard and get a little something green to toss on top, but if you're a 5 and 25 purist, leave it off. But some fresh parsley, basil, or cilantro would be lovely. And to make sure you know there's lemon in there, we're going to give a nice fresh squeeze down over the top. Shrimp scampi in about 13 minutes. This is a really delightful bite of food, as I always love to say. The lemon and garlic shine. That wine adds a nice acidic punch to an otherwise fragrant and delightful dish. I hope you will give it a try, subscribe for more 5 and 25 videos, and as always, go make something delicious.